Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, we'll talk about if is it possible to make guests on Roblox. Let's figure out if it's doable or not, so make sure you follow along. First, open your browser in your PC or laptop. Next, go to roblox.com and log in. Now, in this blog, it says the guest feature was created to test newcomers in Roblox game before making an account. However, some players are exploiting this feature and do a glitch which is prohibited by the game. So to prevent that, they just patch it. When a player hovered the mouse over a guest image when viewing game servers, the name used to appear as a friendly guest. This was changed to a Roblox player before the guest feature was removed. So to conclude, making guests on Roblox is not possible anymore. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.